Next, the internal components are installed. Automated robots rapidly place tiny electronic parts onto circuit boards. Many of these components are difficult to see with the naked eye, yet robots position them with incredible precision. The motherboard, or main circuit board, is then installed inside the frame. After that, the cameras, speakers, vibration motor, and other essential components are connected. At every stage, scanners and sensors verify that each part is correctly installed. The battery is installed in the next step. Advanced automated machines place the battery in its exact position and connect it to the main circuit board through highly precise connections. Then comes the display installation process. The screen is carefully attached to the frame. Even a minor mistake can render the entire device unusable, which is why specialized robotic systems are used for this task. After all the components are assembled, the iPhone looks nearly complete. However, the work is far